believe that the hardest part of electronics prototyping should be the design, not the implementation. To that goal, we have created the ultimate partner to your breadboard.
The Omkara tool is a breadboarding ruler that helps you cut, strip, and bend wires to the correct length. When our tool is used with a standard wire cutter, it becomes easy to create the perfect wires quickly and consistently. Since you're cutting your own wires, you have more control over circuit design and can color code. Having the right wires makes designing and debugging all the more easier.
Here at Omkara, we strongly believe in the growing future of makers. Through our tool, students will have the opportunity to not only learn about electronics, but also gain hands-on experience putting their lessons to practical use. This simple, effective tool minimizes the frustration of early-stage prototyping that might deter aspiring makers. Each of the 4 features has been carefully crafted to address a small nuance of the wiring process to ensure a streamlined, mess-free experience.
4.
For more than 30 years, the Leatherman multi-tool has been the go-to solution for a lot of different problems in so many different places.
On the trail, between here and over there.
In a bass boat on Lake Minnetonka.
Here in the kitchen, right under there.
And starting today, that includes some of the places we haven't been able to go.
Gate 72, row 12, seat A.
Introducing Tread, the first multi-tool that lets you be the one who gets it done, anywhere. Tread is 25 hard-working tools you wear on your wrist, including Phillips and flathead screwdrivers, hex and box wrenches, even a cutting hook and a bottle opener. So regardless of the job, the right tool is always at hand. Tread features 11 interchangeable links, each crafted from injection-molded 17-4 stainless steel. There's an optional Swiss-made timepiece, water-resistant to 200 meters, with a shock-resistant sapphire crystal. And it all comes with a choice of 2 rugged finishes. Tread, the go-to, go-anywhere tool from Leatherman, the original American multi-tool.
My name is Glenn Klecker. This is my son Nathan.
Hi.
I've been an engineer and designer and inventor for about 14 years now, and I've designed a lot of knives and multi-tools that you might be familiar with. I came up with the idea for the Clax last year. Over the last 6 months, I've been designing, developing, prototyping, and testing out the Clax to end up with the 4 versions that we have here today. The Clax is more than an axe. The Clax is a multi-tool built into the head of an axe. It has a lot of useful features: carabiner, thumb jimping, this is the bottle opener, the axe blade, the scraper, lanyard hole, the hammer with a built-in ruler, 5 wrench sizes, and a hex bit driver. The Clax has a lot of useful features like wrenches, hammerhead, and scraper, along with our innovative new clamping system that allows you to take the axe to the field and be able to break it down for easy transport.